In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause your YouTube TV membership if you need a break from your subscription. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not offer an official pause feature for its memberships. If you want to temporarily stop your subscription, you'll need to cancel it and then resubscribe later when you're ready to return. To do this, log in to your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Membership section and choose Cancel Membership. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision, and you may be asked to provide feedback about why you're canceling. Once canceled, you'll retain access to your subscription until the end of your current billing cycle. Keep in mind that canceling will delete your cloud DVR recordings and scheduled shows, so make sure to download any important content if possible. When you're ready to return, simply sign back up for YouTube TV using the same email address, and your preferences, like channel selections, should be restored. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to pause your YouTube TV membership, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.